Hey everybody, it's Christina Daves with this week's Get Famous Friday PR tip. This week I want to talk about authenticity with logos. I meet with so many people and they say, as seen on ABC, NBC, CBS, Fox. And when I ask them to show me their articles so we can connect and use it for their credibility, they say, oh no, I just sent out a press release. So it's really important, and I'm such a stickler on this, but it's really important that you're using those logos authentically, that you really are quoted in those magazines, on those television shows, that you didn't just send out a press release and somebody housed it on a press release site. You know, people could call you out on it. You could be in a meeting and people could say, hey, I want to see you on that show. I want to see you in that article. So I'm actually saving you a lot of heartache and possible embarrassment if you're putting those logos there, but you really don't have anything. And linking to a press release is not as seen on. So make sure you use the media logos authentically. Make sure you connect to them. And here's a tip with television. If you're on a television program, screen record it, because they do get rid of old shows. You know, I've been on shows 5 years ago. It's not on their websites anymore. They clear that out. But as long as you have it, you can put it on YouTube. You know, you're able to share it with your audience. So that is this week's PR tip. If you like this, if you'd like more, please join the PR Challenge. It's completely free. It's at yourprchallenge.com. Give me 10 days, 10 minutes a day, and I will help you get massive visibility. So I can't wait to see you there, and I can't wait to see you in the media.